Hi guys, welcome to Gabby Graphic Studio. Good morning, afternoon and evening according to your GMT over there. Today we'll be designing some little logo. I'll be showing you how to make any wooden logo in less than 7 minutes. You will make a perfect logo for yourself. Let's start.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Okay, now the first thing to do, remember you always have to set your image size to YouTube thumbnail. Send your image size to YouTube thumbnail and then import from gallery. You can use any logo you want. If you want, I'll leave this logo in the description below so that you can download. But practically you can use any logo of your choice. I'm just using this one to just show you an illustration. Centralize your work. Make sure your work is centralized. This is what I mean. Make sure your work is centralized. Yeah. So the next thing to do now is to add shape. This is applicable when you are using PNG image instead of JPEG. You have to do this if you are using a PNG image instead of JPEG. Do you understand? So if you are using a JPEG, it is different. So this formula will be different. But since you are using PNG, you do this way. Now you come like this, take this image to the up. Do you understand? You cannot do it that way. Once you tap on the image, you can just tap send to back or send to the front. You see send to front, send to back. So it is easier like that. Now you have to merge your work. You merge it. Now, because of the PNG image you are using, we have to reduce the filter color. You have to reduce the filter color so that it won't affect it. Leave the saturation at 100. Leave the saturation at 100. You can leave the brightness at 1. You can leave the brightness at 1. Then contrast, take it to 49. Take it to 49. Contrast, take it to 49. Now we have this. Now you come and erase the color, pick the black color out, and then you copy this image. Copy the image and merge the both of them together. Merge the both of them together. The next thing to do is to bring image from gallery. I'll leave the background in the description below so that you can download. I'll leave the background in the description below so that you can download and get it from there. You bring this one, take it this way, and you have this. Now you tap on this image, go to texture. You add another image from texture. Go to texture, take the image. Take the image. Just use this one now. Take it this way, and bring it this way. So you have this. Okay, so now the next thing to do is just go to our shadow, enable our shadow. Leave this blur at 10. Just leave it the way it is like this. Then go to inner shadow and enable. Reduce it. Take it to 2 and leave it. This inner shadow, make sure it's at 2. Make sure it's at 2. Then you go to emboss and enable your emboss. Leave this one at 90. This one you can leave it at 90. Anywhere you want. Increase the intensity. No, reduce this to 63 depending on how you want your work to be. Ambient light, I'm increasing it to 100. Circular hardness, I'm increasing it to 47. The bevel, you can just, I'm leaving my bevel at 19. At 19. This is perfectly good for me now. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can hit on the bell notification to get you can hit on the bell icon to get notification so that when I post new videos or tutorials, you will get information. Thanks for watching, guys, and God bless you. As you can see, our image has been saved already. So you just have to, but me, I've not saving as PNG Ultra, save to gallery. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also hit the bell icon to get notification when I post new videos. Thank you.